Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to adjust DPI settings on a mouse sensitivity in Windows 11. So just click on start, then click on settings. Here guys you have to find out accessibility, then scroll down and click on mouse. Now guys, here you will see option mouse pointer speed primary button scrolling, so click on it. And here guys you have to left click on additional mouse settings. Now click on pointer options, and here you can select a pointer speed slow or fast, and also you can turn on and turn off enhance pointer. So to turn on, select this box, and to turn off, unselect this box. Then click on apply, then click on OK. And here guys you can change line to scroll at a time, and also guys you can select and turn on this option scroll inactive windows when hovering over them. So this is the way guys you can adjust DPI settings on a mouse sensitivity in Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.